How to redeem Sephora gift card online. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to easily redeem your Sephora gift card online. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So if you're trying to use a gift card while checking out on Sephora and not sure how, just follow these simple steps. So as you can see here on my web browser, I have logged into my account on Sephora and I've added this random item to my basket. So you can just go ahead and click on view basket, and if there are multiple items that have been added on your basket, you can choose the specific ones that you want to check out from. I'm just going to check out this because it's the only item I have. Now on the right side you can see the checkout option, so just tap on it. Now once you get to your checkout page, you'll first have to add your shipping address and then your shipping information. And under payment method, you have an option to add credit or debit card to pay. And right below that, you have an option to add a gift card. So if you have a valid gift card number, you can just go ahead and enter the number here, enter the gift card pin here, and then click on apply. And if the card is valid, then the corresponding amount will be added to your checkout and you will get the certain discount from the gift card. So that's how you easily use gift card on Sephora. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.